Hi there, Lariane with Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. Today's soap is a soap inspired by my life. Just kidding, but not really. The circus, or to be more accurate, circus type foods. For instance, Circus Peanuts, which is what I am basing today's soap off of. What are Circus Peanuts? They're kind of like a taffy marshmallow consistency with a banana flavor. I don't know, they're not particularly good, but I do remember eating them when I was a kid because they were candy. Would I eat them now? No. I did buy a pack in order to make a mold from them, but they're way too sweet for me. We'll just say that. But I do like the color, and I thought they would make a fun soap. And the fragrance oil that I'm using for this soap is banana, and it could possibly discolor the soap. That's why I'm using the color stabilizer. I'll be doing a simple drop swirl for the base of the soap using these lovely bright colors, red, blue, orange, and yellow. Keeping it very simple, no embeds in the soap today. The batter was a little bit thicker than I was hoping for, so I helped it along by giving it a stir. Hey, look what's on my embed tray. Some orange melt and pour circus peanuts. You know I'm gonna show you how I made them. And here I have some piping consistency soap, the same color as the Circus Peanuts. And to get the piping consistency, just let the soap batter sit, stirring it occasionally every few minutes until it gets to the consistency that you can pipe with. There's no real plan here. I'm just piping with one of my favorite piping tips. 48 hours later, let's cut this soap. Well, look at what we got here. I really love those colors swirled together like that. Nice. The melt and pour soap is sweating a little bit, which is normal. You can just wipe away the glycerin dew, like so. It'll probably continue to sweat unless you store it in a dry place, someplace where you have dehumidifiers. But I'm perfectly fine with it. It doesn't affect the soap at all. It's a cosmetic thing. And I actually like the banana fragrance too. Kind of reminds me of banana Laffy Taffies, which is one of my favorite candies. So yeah, I guess I would like the scent, wouldn't I? As I mentioned before, the next few soaps will be soaps inspired by food. But that does it for today. Thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.